Hai friends, hari ini gue mau main game. Ini game baru gue beli di Steam. Ini harganya sekitar 520 ribuan. Berasa sih ya. Ini jadi gue belinya waktu diskon. Jadi kita main game sama-sama, Tomb Raider, atau yang biasa dikenal sama Tomb Raider dan sebagainya. Ya, ini game yang keren banget. Yeay, ayo kita main sama-sama. Biasa kita main versi Tomb Raider.
What makes someone reach beyond the boundaries of human experience to face the unknown? As children, we question the world around us. We learn, we accept, and gradually we lose our capacity for wonder. But some do not. The explorers, the seekers of truth. It is these pioneers who define the future of mankind.
Wow, gila keren banget.
The others, they're done. No amount of money is gonna get them through
Gila
those
resolusinya
mountains.
keren banget.
The lost city's up there,
Sampai.
somewhere.
That's gonna be a hell of a
Yes.
climb.
I'm not turning back.
No turning back, no turning
I know.
back.
You should stay here with them.
Not a chance.
Wow, Tomb Raider really cool. Tomb Raider tuh cewek yang keren banget asli.
You're almost there. Wait till you see this view, Lara. Take my hand.
Thanks. Look at that.
It's amazing. But the snow coming off those peaks is a bad
Yes.
sign.
The trail leads up the mountain. We'll have a good view of the valley beyond from the summit.
All right. Let's take it easy here.
Kasian nih di kedinginan dia.
This wind is crazy.
We just need to keep moving.
Lara, 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 Lara.
Hey, even if we don't find anything up here, your dad would be proud.
I know, but I have a good feeling about this.
Wah, dingin banget.
Oh, shit!
You okay?
Lost my footing.
Time.
I'm fine.
Thank you, and you? X.
Damn, that was close.
Lara, are you all right?
Jonah! I'm here!
Bantu dong, bantu. Oh ini.
I'll climb down there and get you.
No! It's too
It's
dangerous!
okay, it's okay.
I can climb back up!
Are you sure?
Just stay put!
Loncat, gila. Cewek keren banget. Gue belum tentu bisa begini. Climbable walls. Craggy walls of ice and rocks are climbable. Okay. ke atas, ayo. Ayo Lara. Bisa loncat. Wow, cool. Gila, keren banget.
I need to jump across.
Yeah, okay. Now grab my hand.
Dibantu ya. 1, 2, 3.
Got you. Shit, Lara. You're gonna give me a heart attack. Are you okay?
Tenang aja,
Ya.
Lara tuh hebat.
Come on.
Experience gain.
Looks like we gotta go through.
Not bad.
Not bad. If the weather turns, we can hole up in this cave. You really think we'll find
gitu.
this city?
I know this is a long shot, but that old tracker said he saw ruins up in these mountains.
Mentang-mentang mau Imlek nih, nyalain petasan bukan sih? Bukan nih. Ini Maen.
Well, I guess if I was gonna hide a lost city, this might be the kind of godforsaken place.
Sil banget.
I just hope Trinity hasn't beaten us to it.
Dingin coy.
Storm's getting closer. We have a couple hours at most.
Should be enough time. We're almost to the top.
What do you think?
We're close to something, Jonah. I can feel it. Just this last stretch to the top.
All right. Let's see what's up there. Feels pretty solid here, but keep close to the wall.
Okay.
Ini mau loncat lagi nih, aduh.
Looks
Ini
like we climb
bener-bener
from here.
nekat banget.
Keep your eyes open for falling ice.
Right. You ready?
Let's do it.
Jatuh, salah. Aduh. Salah.
Feels pretty solid here, but keep close to the wall.
Okay. Looks like we climb from here.
Keep your eyes open for falling ice.
Right. You ready?
Let's do it.
Lara. Gila, ini cewek keren banget.
Precise up here.
Let's take it slow and
Just stay
steady.
with me.
Stay with me.
Just want you to stay with me.
Look out!
Oh shit!
That was close.
Ayo, loncat.
Oh no! No! Jonah! Hold on!
Shit! I'm going to dig in. Can you make it across?
I can make it!
Aduh, ini perempuan bener nekat banget sih. Udahlah, nggak usah. Aduh, gila.
Holy shit! I don't think I can make that jump!
Stay there! I'll anchor a line for you at the top.
Alright, I'll give you some slack. Almost there, Lara! You got it!
Gila. Yes. Yes, you can do it. You can do it.
Jonah! We made
I see
it!
the ruins.
I see the ruins! Oh god.
Hurry up.
Oh, shit! I got you! Lara! Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull you back up! Oh, fuck!
There! Over there! Quick! Swing me to the other side!
Okay, here goes.
Ini pada coba. Dikit lagi. Aduh, jangan. Dikit lagi.
I can't hold you! The rope is slipping!
Dikit lagi. Loncat. Ayo, hurry up. Cepet. Duh. Aduh, longsor lagi.
Go back, Jonah! Get the shelter!
Aduh, anginnya kencang banget. Aduh, aneh-aneh aja nih game. Aduh. Ayo, cepet. Jam. Cepetan. Ini teman. Hati-hati Lara, hati-hati. Nak. Loncat kemana? Aduh, kasihan banget sih cewek. Kasihan. 2 minggu kemudian. 2 minggu. 2 minggu sebelumnya.
It is the greatest cruelty of life that we're all too swiftly taken from it. We age, we decay, we die. But what do we leave behind? Bones? Dust? What of the soul? Does it endure beyond our earthly existence? I believe it does. A truth lies at the heart of many myths and stories. A truth not of science, but something more profound. The key to unlocking everlasting life. I may have found the next piece to the puzzle, but I'm not alone in this search. They're following me, watching my every step. I know them by name now. Trinity. An ancient, violent sect with designs on controlling the future of humanity. I must proceed carefully for the sake of my family. If anything were to ever happen to Lara or Anna, I could never forgive myself.
Oh, ini keluarganya Lara. Lah. Lara. Ah, gue pikir tadi Lara. Siapa tuh?
It's me. Hannah! Oh, God. I'm so sorry. What are you doing here?
I saw the gutter press was attacking you again. I thought you could use some company.
No lies. Were you followed?
Followed? Of course not. What's going on?
I think I found the tomb.
Oh, you can't be serious.
The myth of the prophet is real. Dad was right.
Lara, your father was unwell.
No, he was close to a great discovery, tangible evidence of the immortal soul.
I loved Richard. I would have married him if he'd asked. But he was a broken man. I don't want to see you end up like him.
But Anna, he was right. It was everyone else who was wrong. The tomb's in Syria.
Syria? Oh God, Laura, no. This is madness. Get your life sorted. Go home to the manor.
You know I can't go back there.
But this obsession ruined your father.
I saw something. Something I can't explain. Now I understand what Dad was going through.
It's all fairy tales. Nonsense. Don't go down this road. You know where it leads.
It's the only thing that makes sense to me now. I'm going to find the prophet's tomb, Anna.
Ini si Lara Auban.
Hey, we're heading into a war zone now. We better be sure about this.
We're close. There should be an oasis in the canyon just ahead.
You're wasting your time. There's nothing out here.
Just keep driving, please.
It's your money.
Something isn't right.
Oh, that's just local militia.
You told someone, didn't you?
They paid better than you.
You...
shoot at us!
Get us out of here!
Shit!
Come on.
No!
Ya mati. Aduh. Tuh kalau mikirin duit mulu begitu tuh. Ayo cepet kebakaran. Asia, northwest border of Syria. Oh, we're so close now.
No turning back. It has to be here.
RT. Pusing.
There was something in Dad's research about this.
It was said the prophet's tomb was hidden in the cliffs above one of the forgotten cities. Legend speaks of an oasis where the prophet was laid to rest.
Ayo kamu bisa. Lara, kamu bisa, ayo. Loncat ya, loncat.
Something's here. Could this really be it? Years old, at least. It all lines up.
Oh, glow stick. Glowing stick, yeah. Oh, gelap banget. Kok dia ada aja sih bau?
Incredible. Some kind of marker. Can't quite make out the translation, but this word. Prophet. This is it. Dad was right.
Oh ya, benar. Monolith discovered. Explore the chamber of murals. Ayo kita cari. Active survival instinct.
It's the prophet.
Speaking with a
foreign army. He convinced them to lay down their weapons.
Read more inscription to increase language skills. Okay.
Seems to be a map of some sort, but I can't quite read the words.
Jadi dia mesti belajar banyak banyak Greek language dari senjata mural-mural yang dia ketemuin mungkin ya.
Okay, he's shown here performing healing miracles. Dad's notes mention this.
nih?
These are the miracles of the prophet of
Constantinople.
unjustly murdered by order of Trinity.
Trinity? Read this.
He led his followers through the desert to the oasis.
Oke, masih baca monolit ini dulu deh.
Still no sign of her. I don't think she survived the crash.
All right, let's go. Constantine wants to breach the tomb before sundown.
They're after the tomb. I've got to find it before them.
Suara apa sih? Suara siapa? Dari mana?
Greek is still a little rusty, but it's pointing to something hidden nearby. I'll mark down the locations.
Bisa dijebol.
A secret entrance.
Oke. Masuk. Mungkin Lara muat ya. Mungkin kalau gue yang bolongin nggak muat mungkin. Iya. Kecil sih. Slow. Wow.
It's amazing.
If only Dad could have
Only
seen
Dad could have
this.
seen this.
Oke, objektif bikin. Oh, jadi kita masih ke sana. Oke. Thank you. Jump to wall and scramble. Anjat. Yes. Nggak usah ketinggian, kejauhan. Set. Ke atas. Ih.
Oh no. They're already here. Got to get inside.
Pelan. Lara. Ya. Loncat. Kasian banget sih. Set. Masih sana nih. Set. Keren.
The Order of Trinity pursued the Prophet and his people relentlessly until finally confronting them in their hidden oasis.
Ayo. Oke, ayo.
A way through. Damn it.
Jangan gitu dong. Kok kaget ya di sini? Oh banyak kalah jengking. Careful, hurry up. Aduh. Ih. Cepet. Tendang. What?
There was a battle here. Armed soldiers against religious pilgrims. The Order of Trinity. The Prophet.
By the
slain
Order
by
of
the
Trinity.
Order of Trinity.
Gue kalau main Tomb Raider, gue benar-benar mau search semuanya karena gue nggak mau ada satu apapun yang terlewatkan. Apalagi kalau ada secret item tuh, yang penting banget. Kayaknya ini lagi foto model deh. Ya nggak sih, kayaknya keren banget. Beginilah main Tomb Raider itu banyak banget rapnya. Searching.
They're blasting their way in.
It's a trap. Boom.
That wall looks weak.
Saya pecahin. Biarnya nambah.
Let's hope this works.
Desainnya keren banget ya, really great. Dibandingkan Tomb Raider yang kita mainin di PS1, ini sudah jauh berkembang banget ya. Dia meluncur ya. Bisa kan? Cepet, Lara. Dia nahan nafas, gue yang ngos-ngosan. Ayo Lara, come on, you can do it. You're a superwoman. You're a superhero. No, you can do it. Come on.
Stunning.
We made it, Dad.
We made it, Dad.
Gimana mau ke bawah nih? If we get to the top of the main tomb chamber. Gue masih pelajarin ngomong tomb. Biasanya gue ngomong tomb bukan tomb. Jadi mohon maaf kalau saya salah-salah kata ya.
Got to find a way to get up higher. Maybe I can raise the water.
Kita masih pecahin lagi nih. Banjir. Bisa nyelam nggak ini? Bisa nyelam nggak? Nggak bisa ya. Belum boleh kali. Belum boleh nyelam kayaknya ya. Come on. Anjay. Kepala orang banget. Oh, masuk sini. Kita gerak sini aja sih. Yang bisa loncat ya. Masa loncat? Oh iya benar loncat. Tambah banjir. Masih kesana nih. Moga aja nggak ada buaya ya. Ini kalau ada buaya bahaya loh. Beneran loh. Ini kok tadi gambarnya orang sih. Searching. Explore. Tuh. Catatan lagi. Haha. Tuh kan banyak barang ketemu. Apa ini? Ancient coins can be traded for upgrade. Ih, asik. Ini yang kusuka. Ini apa? Duit. Ini kalau sering explore akan lebih banyak lagi yang bisa kita upgrade. Come on. Itu apa? Suara apa tuh? Iya. Mungkin menjebak nih.
Damn, they're almost inside.
Angkat. Banyak banget nih. Rangkap.
Got to raise the water.
Kok nyipak begitu sih? Oke, I have to jump. Shoo. Kan.
That wall is weak. I should be able to break through.
Pecah lagi. Ngapain sih nyipak begitu? Nggak paham. Oh, sini. Gile. Untung saya bisa. Sekarang mau kemana ini? Oh, ke sini. Ih. Lara, loncat bisa loncat. Lara, you can do it.
Found you.
Apa ini? Hah? Lara, tidak!
Empty.
Hah?
It's empty. No. What did I miss?
Kok gak ada apa-apa sih?
Hey, it's down here.
Ambil. Cepet. Aduh. No.
Set the charges. The prophet's tomb. After all this
Bakal kaget nih, nggak ada nih.
And the artifact? Inside. God willing.
Kenapa tangannya?
Open it. Carefully. It could be extremely dangerous.
Who the hell are you?
You're a smart woman. I suspect you already know.
Trinity.
Where is the artifact?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't play games with me. You led us to this place.
Look. It was empty when I got here. There was no body and definitely no artifact.
Wow.
Get down!
Aduh. can do it, Lara. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on, my baby. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. Hurry up.
Jonah!
Lara,
There's so much I need to tell you. I don't...
did you find the Prophet's tomb?
Yes, but I was followed.
What? By who?
They call themselves Trinity. They tried to kill me.
What the hell is going on here? You're starting to scare me.
The tomb was empty, but I think they were looking for the divine source.
The artifact your father was after?
There's more. I found this symbol in the tomb. I knew I'd seen it before. It was driving me insane. That's when it hit me. I saw it here, in one of Dad's books. Listen to this. The lost city of Kitesh, said to have disappeared in Siberia sometime in the 12th century. Legend says that on the eve of the invasion by the Mongol horde, it sunk beneath a lake.
What does this have to do with the Prophet's artifact?
The same symbol.
Lara,
If the divine source is hidden in the ruins of Kitesh, waiting to be found, then I have to go.
to Siberia? Are you kidding me?
Just think. If this thing could really unlock the secret of immortality, it would change everything. Sickness, suffering, death, gone.
Are you listening to yourself?
Jonah, we've been through so much together. You know there's more out there. This could be real.
I don't care if it's real. I've lost too many friends. I don't want to lose you too.
Dad never made the connection to Kitesh. He gave up everything for this.
Including you. Stop blaming yourself for what happened. He made his own bed.
I can't give up on him. Not now. It's all I have.
No, it isn't! If you stayed still for 5 minutes, maybe you'd see that.
Jonah?
Lara! Holy shit!
Stop! Drop the book!
You can't stop us! Shit, Lara. What are we gonna do?
I led them to it, Jonah. If the divine source is real, we've got to find it first.
Siberia it is, then.
Hei, kasihan.
Lara, are you there? I made it to shelter.
Jonah? Jonah,
If you can hear me.
if you can hear me, go back. Please don't try to find me. I need to do this alone.
Gila. Amazing. Lara, amazing. Lara, amazing.
Got to find shelter.
I have to find a shelter. Oh, kasihan kedinginan. Come on, come on. Bisa loncat gak? Gak bisa. Eh. Shit.
Keep moving.
Ini dingin banget nih kayaknya nih.
Come on.
You can do this.
You can do
Move.
this. Move.
Yes, you can do this. Come on, Lara, you can do this. Yes, you can do this. Come on.
An old camp. Okay. Got to start a fire.
Kamu bisa nyalain api di sini? Oh, kayu. Harus kumpulin kayu.
Okay. This might work.
Kayu kering.
Not enough to last the night. Need to gather more.
Apa ini? Makanan? Oh, kok. Oh my. That's another problem. Lara,
Dry enough to burn. I hope. Back to camp.
Lara. Come on. Kamu pasti bisa, Lara.
Move, damn it.
Tinggi banget aja. Oh, akhirnya ada api juga. Jadi lebih hangat.
Men are scouring the ruins in the mountains. If the artifact is here, we'll find it.
And what of the remnant?
They continue to resist us, but we'll have the situation in hand soon.
Wow.
Good. Trinity has faith in you.
Trinity.
Trinity. Wih, asik, ada panah. Gue paling suka sama senjata panah.
Going to need a stronger bow.
I wish this pain wasn't so familiar. Like looking an old enemy in the eye. It wants to take me down. It wants me to just lie down and die. But I won't. I can't. There's something here. There must be, or Trinity wouldn't be in this snowy house. I just hope that Jonah is okay. That he found a way back.
Lara.
I just couldn't risk having him with me. Not again. The pain of losing him, that would be too much to bear. This is my path, and mine alone.
Ini apa? Wax string crafting tool. Host. Oh, bisa ya? Yay! Back. Untuk sekarang ini dulu part pertama untuk remaja ini dulu. Nanti kita next berikutnya ya. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day.